Hi lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we even greet ourselves, welcome. Guys, this is not fair. Take a look at this. The video has 500 views. And then I'm getting only 8 subscribers from that video. That's so not fair. I'm giving you guys so much value in this channel. So please, kindly subscribe. If you are new here, if this is your first time here, you can be sure you get value in this channel. So please hit the subscribe button right now. Okay, so this is my official this is my first long video for the year, so it's safe to say Happy New Year, guys. Today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make caramel popcorn with sugar, no honey, no chocolate, nothing. So I'm showing you how to get your popcorn to have that brown sugar caramel like taste and look with just 3 simple ingredients. Okay, so come with me, let's get started. So this is a round of the tools. I'm used to tools. It's a recipe now. So this is a round of the instrument or no instrument now. This is a round of the materials you'll be needing, guys. So you need your corn. My corn is measuring 125 ml. You want to sure you buy it from those that sell baking tools and equipment. So just tell them you want to get popcorn. Do you understand? Then this is sugar. My sugar is measuring 83 ml. Now you can work on your sugar based on your preference. Now I'll be needing butter. This is optional, of course. This is margarine or butter. Then you'll be needing your groundnut oil. Yep, groundnut oil, any brand of your choice is fine. And you need your measuring spoon. I don't know, fire burns my own measuring spoon. So this is 15 ml. And of course, you need a pot and a cooking gas. So let's get started. So you want to grab your pots and then have it placed on your cooking gas. So I'm going to leave it for a couple of few seconds for the water inside to dry. So you want to ensure your pot is dry. So once my pot is dry, I'm just going to scoop out a bit of butter with my spoon. So now whatever the butter you want depends on your measurement, okay? So this is like half of 15 ml, so that's like 7.5. Then I'm going to put it in. It's just going to melt within a few minutes. And while it's melting, I'll just go ahead and pour 15 ml of groundnut oil. You need just a tiny bit of oil for your popcorn. Just swirl it around so the butter and the oil can mix properly. So while that is going on, you just pick like few pieces of your corn and then pour it inside. And you're going to leave it for a few minutes. Once these pieces pop, then you know the oil is hot enough for your corn to pop. I think I'll add a bit of oil for the quantity of corn I want to pop. Can you see corn I want to pop? Popcorn. So let's add a bit more oil. Yeah, that's perfect. Oh, okay. Can you see one has popped? In fact, two has popped. So wait for everything to pop, and then that tells me my oil is hot enough. Oh boy, okay. It's fun catching this on camera. Okay, so the fourth one has popped and then it took longer to pop. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour out the rest of the popcorn. Can you see? And then I'm going to add my, what's it called now? Flavor. Now this is a mix of, my flavor is a mix of condensed milk and I can't remember the second one. When I remember, I'll put it in the while editing. So I'll just pour a bit and add. So having done that, I'll grab my spoon and then I'll stir it. I mean, by now your popcorn should smell delicious. If you are working on my kind of fragrance, I think it's a bit of kind of vanilla and condensed milk. I can't remember now. So I'll stir it. Make sure the corn is properly mixed with the oil and then I'll cover it. So I'm sure now you can hear the popping sound. You want to shake your pot every 2 seconds or every 10 seconds so it does not burn. So one lesson to learn from here is add the corn at the same time, especially the first 4, and you realize that they didn't all pop at the same time. So in life, don't let anybody rush you. Our race is different. So you can hear it popping and you can see it popping. You just constantly shaking. So you can hear it all popping and then you constantly shake it. And if you think it's popping too much, just reduce the gas so it doesn't burn. So now that I can no longer hear any sound of the popping, I'm going to turn it off. So once you open it, oof, you can feel the heat, right? So I'll just take it off the gas. So all I just did was just strip the cover of the pot because I don't want to have to waste or wash pots twice. And then because the corn I'm popping is not much, so it will contain the cover. So I'll just save it here. But if not, you can, if your corn is much, you can just pour it in a much bigger bowl that can contain it. But everything will not pop. And then I'll take the pot back. So I gas. Just look at that yummy goodness. Take a look at that. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to light just a fire. Not literal fire. And I'm going to pick my sugar and then pour it directly. Now, for some people, while their corn was popping, they would have poured the sugar, but that would not give us that brown caramel effect. And if it does, probability of the corn burning is pretty high. I hope you can see what I'm doing though. I don't want to move my phone too close because it's telling me getting too hot for it. So I'll be watching this temperature. I'll just leave my sugar and allow it to caramel. Is that the word or caramel? I'm not sure. Let me not break my teeth. But I'll just be watching the heat so it doesn't burn. No, I don't know. Oh, careful. I don't know if you can see, but you can see it's gradually sticking to the pot. So I'll leave it there again. So I want you to really see it and not miss it. Can you see it's gradually turning into like powder form? Not powder form, but watery form. So just leave it to continue to everything caramelize. So when it's close to everything caramelizing, you want to reduce the heat so that it does not burn. My mouth is sounding like that's because I'm already chewing on the popcorn. I'm already chewing on the popcorn. So it's gradually forming. I'll just move it right. And you can see that, right? So you can change the direction of the pot so that every part of the sugar would pour. So at this point I want to reduce the heat. Because I don't want it to burn. Once it burns, you won't like the taste of the popcorn. So if you look at it, yeah, almost everything is brown. Can you see that? It's brown. So what I'm going to do next is I'll just go ahead and pour the popcorn or our popcorn. Pour it and leave out the ones that didn't pop. And then you pick your spoon and you want to stir it. So can you see I'm not stirring it down? If not, it's going to caramelize on my spoon. I don't want that. That's the danger or disadvantage of melted sugar. So I want it to melt the popcorn. And then I'll just continue to stir. Make sure you coat it in. So if you're making a corn that is much more than this, you can be coating it batch by batch or use a bigger pot. You're already seeing that brown goodness, aren't you? Trust me, you would want to eat this. I'm sure the corn has coated everything and so everything is properly coated. So switch it off and that's it. Our corn is ready. And then you serve it on there. Can you see that sugar pooling and all of that? And that's it, guys. Your popcorn is ready to be devoured. You can see the way it's coming together. So that's the effect of the sugar. So thank you for watching that video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe if you're here too. And please share. Somebody needs that content. So please share with them and see you in the next video. Bye. And also let me know if you'll be trying that recipe. Just drop that for me in the comment section. Bye.